Do normal people know what a string is? Strings are so pervasive in programming, I forget that it's technobabble to most people. This is what real people need to know about computer strings. Computers can store data in a lot of formats. A string is a format specifically made for talking with the user. It's the sort of thing you might type or read. In English, I might say a string contains text. Here is a very simple but real example. The things in quotes are all strings. These can say anything I want. The computer will copy them to the screen exactly as is, without concern for what they mean. The $sign is pronounced string. I'm telling the computer to read whatever the user types and store it in a variable called a string. Again, you can type anything you want. The computer will repeat it back exactly as is. Why is this important? Because this type of data is easy to see and share and change. When I say, that's just a string, I mean the data is in a convenient format. It's data that you can easily share in an email or a text, save in a document, or view in any number of ways. Here's a simple but common case. Your marketing consultant recommends the color $CC5500, and you want to pass that information on to your web designer. You don't have to know or understand anything about HTML colors. All you have to do is copy a string of characters from one email and paste them into another. Most art programs let you describe a color in a lot of different ways. But a string is the easiest way to copy and paste a color. And if all else fails, you can paste a string into Google and see what it thinks. This next example involves files. The first file contains JSON data, and the second file contains PNG image data. Now let's take a look inside. The first file contains configuration data. It's almost written in English. In any case, you can easily copy strings from here and paste them into Google. The computer doesn't even want to display the second file. Normal characters are written in black on white. White on black means the computer doesn't know how to interpret the data. It's not a valid character. Remember, string is short for character string. The second file is not made of characters or strings. Of course, most computer data is even more complicated and abstract than what you see here. I can't even really show it to you directly. It's refreshing when I only have to deal with string data. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please check out my other videos.